Oh gosh, I need some brave friends to come and do this with me. You guys, look at our dinner view of this right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Honey. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here and we're on the road again. It's a brand new day. It's another day of vacation. We checked out of our hotel this morning. We had breakfast there before we left and we're on the road again. We're on our way to another location. Today we're heading to a volcano spot. Right, babe? We're heading to a volcano spot. Very intriguing. Hopefully y'all get to learn about the spot itself, if there's anything around to learn. But I'm excited to see the spot and to learn what's there and what was there. So we will be checking in our hotel at some point for tonight, and then tomorrow we're on our way to somewhere else again. So we're on the go, on the road, and we're loving every minute of it. Vacation has been going really well. The kids are knocked out sleeping because they all woke up early this morning to have breakfast. Well, they naturally wake up early, especially Sarah. She woke up and was singing, so she make everybody in the room wake up. Anyway, you guys, subscribe to the channel right now to not miss any vlog that we are going to upload. If you reach this far, then I'm sure you've already will enjoy the rest of today's vlog, so don't skip through. Just go ahead and enjoy everything that today's vlog have to offer and all the adventures that we'll be going on today. So turn on your notification, subscribe to the channel to don't miss a beat on this amazing vacation that we're on for 4 weeks. If you have missed all the vlogs before today, then go ahead and check back those. You probably missed like 2-3 vlogs already before this one, or maybe like 4, but it's not too much. You can still catch up and then come back on the journey to finish all the other vlogs that we'll be uploading throughout this vacation. We'll be sharing this experience with you guys and capturing the moment so that the kids can look back when they get older and we can have it to look back on, and all our family and friends back home and all over the world can keep up with us. Anyway, love you guys, stick and stay, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. So we have what, 2 hours drive before we reach where we're going, so the drive today is not too long. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Top of that mountain. You guys can't see it properly, but that's where we're going. We are finally here and all set and about to go to the store here. Can you tie the sweater second time, or is not enough?
It's just that I don't have much.
We'll just wrap it under here one more time. Just wrap it in, tuck it under. Right, and tuck this under. Alright, so my girl is all strapped on and we are ready to go. The thing is, we have to take a train. So we have to go to the point of where the train is. You go here or here? Here's better? So we have to take a train to the point of... Tell you want your sunglasses?
Yes, please.
Jesus, where you going, babe? So we have to take a train to the... We have to take a train that will take us to the top of the volcano. So that's where we're heading.
Is that volcano?
Yes, the volcano is up there, but it's not active. So I guess we're gonna learn about exactly about this volcano, but the line that I'm seeing right now is long, okay? So we have a little wait. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. The time we stay here and wait in this line, we probably could have walked and reached there. You don't think so? But you don't want to? So?
Mama?
Anyway, you guys. Yes, Ty? So we're heading to the train right now with Sarah's drop on me. There she is.
Mama?
Hi, Sarah. Hold on, Ty. Look, princess. Hi. Hi. Sit here. It's in my hand. She wants her pacifier. And we make sure that we ate something. We feed the kids. So now we're heading towards this train. So let's go enjoy the day, shall we? And yes, Ty. Look at my sweet boy.
When I go see the volcano, it will be still like this.
Uh-huh.
It will be still like this.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just that there is no more lava in it.
Right. Honey, isn't he handsome like this? He's so cute.
Mama,
Yes.
I want to tell you something. And
1 every 20 minutes? Okay.
Mama,
Well, that's the line I'm talking about, Shawty.
Mama,
Hmm?
I'm going to tell you something. And you need to tell me before I can.
So there goes the train arriving. So it's one of those trains that we're gonna take, and it will take us to the top of this mountain up here. The line is pretty long, so baby's trying to get her ticket online so that way we can join the shorter line. When you already have a ticket, you join a faster line. But yeah, let's see. Sun is pretty hot out. So we're in and heading up to the train we go. Sarah, hi.
Oui, allez-y juste ma collègue là.
Okay. Oh, it's only 2 door? No, 3. 3.
1.
Oh. Uh-oh, it's all the way in the middle. R. Yep, told you.
Mais attends, il manque pas des wagons.
Come. We're at the top. We're at the top, and I'm definitely going to try and fly my drone to get a really nice view of this beauty right here. Look at that. Wow. That's absolutely... I want to fly my drone right now. I want to take it out so bad. Let me go up here. I just want to fly.
start to do.
Okay, you guys, we're at the top right now, September time, and that's the view from the top. Beautiful looking down. I don't know, Tyler, I don't know. Green and temperatures are chilly, y'all.
Mama, look the tree.
We are on top of the world. My Sarah is around here somewhere. Here she is. But we're gonna try and go to the top up there. Let's go to the top. This is a very close volcano that we're this is the closest one we've come to. Look at that. You can see where the spots are burnt out from the lava. That's cool. And then you look up here, right, let me see if I can show you guys. Right here, you can literally see the big hole within that one. Let me see if I can zoom so you guys can see it properly. There's a trail where you can walk and go right. Hold on, wait. She wants snack. No, I don't. It's my biscuit she was eating. Just go over there and get her some pretzel. Papa gonna give it to you. So you can see the volcano hole. Sarah, say please, Papa. You can see the two volcano holes over here. And these volcanoes are old. I don't know how old are they. How old are they, honey?
I don't know.
Thousands of years ago. So that's a close-up view for you guys. And there are many like this all over this property. They're all over the land, right in this zone that we are. Wow, wow, honey, we have to get a photo right here. Jeez, look at that. That is so pretty. Sarah, look. Sarah, look. This place is just absolutely beautiful, and I love the way they put the roads go all along. It's like you can walk all along the area. It's just absolutely breathtaking just to look at it all. You just want to be here. You have to be here to experience it. So what this place is called, Tyler?
How we name again?
Puy de Dôme. Puy de Dôme. C'est ça, bébé? Puy de Dôme.
Yeah, Puy de Dôme is where we are.
So the name of the place is Puy de Dôme, and it's in the middle of France because we are on a tour heading towards Paris at the moment. So it's between the south of France and Paris. So if you guys looking for somewhere to visit within the middle of France, then this place is completely recommended. It's beautiful. When you're here, you just want to be here. You want to be in the moment and enjoy the landscape, enjoy the walk, the parachute. The thing is, you didn't have to take the train that we took to get up here. You could hike the entire way, and the hike is what, 1 hour? How much, babe?
They say 1 hour 30.
1 hour 30, but it's an uphill hike. So it's. Did her lolly fell? Is it in her hand? That means it fell within my back. Within my clothes. You see it?
Hold on, it's stuck on that stain.
That's okay, just get it out. No matter what mess up.
You had feeling?
I felt what? The candy?
Yes.
No, it's just I didn't hear it or see it, so you have to be in there. That's the only option. So yeah, you guys, it's a bit dark now because the direction that I'm going in. So that direction is a bit better. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I'll make sure I'll leave the name of the place in the description box. So if you guys looking for somewhere to tour, here is amazing. And you can come up here and picnic. You can see people far all the way walking. Oh man, I'm sorry we didn't do this walk, honey, to go to the hole. Huh?
One day we have to come here.
But it's not far. I mean, if we knew that this was something we probably could have done, then we could have the mindset from early, but not now. Oh gosh, I need some brave friends to come and do this with me. Who want to come and do this with me? I want to do this so bad. But my coward husband, though he's convinced that he'll do this with me one day, but he won't do the skydive, but he'll do this one. He said he'll do this one, so we'll patiently wait on that moment to come. But I want to do it so bad. I want to do this one, and I want to do parasailing. But babe, have to be brave with me. Look where. Okay. To take off. Look, they're literally like sitting. That's just absolutely beautiful.
Mama, what you doing? Can we go over there and do it?
No, Tay. Not today. But the next day. Stand. I'm trying to catch it in the background. She does it so flawlessly. Oh my god. She just went like, and you see, she's not even young. She's not even young. Oh, she's living her best life. This is an old lady in this one. Oh my god. I'm sure that woman is in her 50s. Look at her, just living her best fine life. So cute. Yes. She's just relaxing, like she's just gliding in the sky. Of course, that's why they put.
This is the chain that we just come back. So this is also the same chain that we took to go up. And this is going to the top here.
Cool. Alright, you guys, so we're at our second hotel room right now. And when we enter, this is what it looks like. Hold on. Let me see if I find some light for y'all. Calm. No light? Oh, no light. Okay, I guess babe have to turn on something. Insert card for power. Okay. Babe have to insert his card for the power to turn on, which is interesting. Alright, he's gone downstairs, but I'm gonna show you guys because we have enough daylight to show you. So this is the bathroom and the toilets. We have towels here, face basin to brush teeth and stuff. We have, hold on Ty, we have all the amenities, all the soaps and shampoos and stuff here. We have a hair dryer, we have a towel, shower, and the toilet. Here, this is just for one night, so it's perfect. Always good to have a full mirror body on display. Love a full mirror. Papa soon come, Papa gone for the suitcase. And we have bed for Tyler, Bed for Mama and Papa, bed for Sarah. But what? Sarah don't need it because Sarah have her own bed. If I put Sarah in this, she won't sleep down here, girl. She'll be on my bed. So what we're gonna do is take up the pillow and slide this bed right on under here.
Why?
Because we don't need it. Sarah have her own bed.
Oh.
Right? You can take off your bag. So that's the angle of the room. Looking good. We have bedside lamps. We have workstation for me. Perfect. We have coffee and cups and stuff for tea if you need. You need a phone. And we have the TV here.
What is it?
I think that's where you put your clothes and stuff. And we have a little closet here. Let's check out outside the view. So that's the view of the city from our window. So yeah, it's perfect. All right, you guys, so there goes a quick little tour of the hotel.
Can I do a drawing here?
Sure, you can. Put your bag over here, please. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go pack out this stuff and install so we can we're gonna relax a bit before we head to town. So there goes the hotel tour for today, and I'm gonna pack out and relax a bit, and then we're gonna head on the road because we haven't eaten for lunch. We haven't eaten as yet, and we need to explore some more we need to explore some more this city. So I think we're gonna do that. So catch you guys in a bit. Look at him as he gets in the hotel room. What is he doing? Coloring. He loves coloring. Let me see your outfit, Tyler. I haven't even seen your outfit of today. A subscriber sent Tyler this shirt. He's the absolute cutest. And of course, she couldn't send that one without sending one for Sarah. Sarah, who is this on your shirt? Who is this? Who is this? Sarah, who is on your shirt? Who is this? Woof woof. Who is that? Stella, good girl. So Sarah is in the Stella Paw Patrol shirt, which she absolutely loves Stella. And Ty is in the other Paw Patrol shirts. You guys, we went to our hotel, checked in, dropped all our suitcases, and we are now in the city, in the town. And look at this beautiful, beautiful cathedral right behind me. That is absolutely stunning. Look at that in the middle of the city. And this city, babe just told me, is very famous for black buildings, and this cathedral is black. Don't ask me the meaning behind a lot of black buildings, but it's famous for. So look at that. Let me zoom up when I pass this flag so you guys can get a pretty better view of what this cathedral looks like. It's absolutely beautiful from the point of view that I'm at right now. Look at that. Jeez, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You guys, look at these streets, and the buildings are really black, as in not jet black like this, but they're dark. I guess that's why they're referred to as black buildings. They're very dark, and the streets are just close. No, in France, but just to give you guys an idea of what the cities look like. And if you're wondering, we're in a city called Clermont-Ferrand. That's the city that we're in. Yes, Sarah, I'm just here. Alright, you guys, we're looking restaurant to eat, and I think we'll finally find something Tyler been craving names. So we find an Asian restaurant. I think this is gonna be it for dinner tonight. You guys, look at our dinner view of this right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Honey. So we're walking through the town after having dinner, and this is what inside looks like. A lot of restaurants and dinner eating area is out. And this is still the cathedral from the outside. It's literally black, like we said earlier that it's known for black buildings. This is what they mean when they say black. Yeah, like this one here is black. The statue is black over there. Wow. Look at all these little statues on top. You guys don't really see it properly. The camera really doesn't do it any justice. But all these things you see hanging off the cathedrals or faces of whatever animal these are. I have no idea. But they're a bit scary but interesting. Yeah, you guys were actually making sense now of why they say the city is a black city, because after every building really have black or is all black.
Just something that brings something.
Even if the entire building is not black, it have something black on it, like this one. Right, it's just special. So this is what the streets looking like. Black building, black walls, black bricks. Black matter. They say black matter. I'm too funny. Yes, black matters. Black wall matters. There's a black wall matters. Black wall matters.
Mama?
Yes. You pretty, I'm pretty, my kid's pretty, everybody pretty. I don't know what just happened. Don't ask me, but I felt like rapping about being pretty. What did I do? Babe, stop.
Anyway, guys, it's the end of the day. We all tired. We have a long, nice, exhausting day, but we won't have changed it.
But nothing.
We enjoy today.
Yeah.
But the thing is that tomorrow will be another long day, and maybe Wednesday will be the first
Chill
family rest day. So tomorrow we have a lot of adventure to do, and in the evening we will reach our destination in Paris area. So we'll be with family tomorrow night, but we have lots
to do before we reach the family.
Before to reach the family.
Yeah. You guys just have to watch and see what's gonna happen in tomorrow's vlog. We won't tell you, but it's a big deal for us. It's a big deal for Tyler. It might be even get a little emotional, but I am so looking forward to it. Just give you guys a hint of what's to come tomorrow. So we're gonna end today's we're gonna end today's vlog here. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam, and tell us what part of today's vacation vlog was your favorite. I know what part was my favorite. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys, the kids are sleeping. You guys can see Tyler over there, Sarah in here, and now Babe and I jumping in here.
Give me 5 minutes, I'll be snoring.
I'm finishing up making this thumbnail and I'm going to bed. I'm trying to go to bed before 11 o'clock tonight. Let's see how that's gonna go. Get all this makeup on my face and then I'll be gone. Anyway guys, see y'all tomorrow.